Hello and welcome to Metallics.co.nz. My name's Alex Telford and today I'm going to be giving you a quick Blender tutorial where I'm going to be showing how to get this set up right. Text, there we go. Right, so how to assign multiple textures to an object and also how to assign multiple UV maps to an object. So this is going to be a very basic tutorial, probably won't even include, might as well include the source for this. So let's delete this and let's add a monkey, mesh monkey. Control 2 will be a subdivision surface level 2, shading to smooth, 3 to go in side view. Let's rotate that around, drag it up, so it's nicely sitting there. And now let's add a material. So you can add materials just over a material panel. A new one. Let's make him what kind of monkey should it be? Let's be a red monkey. So you guys probably already know you can assign different materials by just going into edit mode and grab, I don't know why this happens, it's really annoying, but yeah, I fixed the problem for a bit and then it started up again. Alright, so you can see got that one there. Let's create a new material, assign it to those, and now we have two materials, and I accidentally assigned to those. Now it goes by faces, not by vertices for materials, if you didn't know. Alright, so now we have a split up mesh. Got any others? No, that's the last of it. Oop. There we go. There we go. Alright, now it's split in half. We have red and white monkey. Looks like a rugby playing monkey. Alright, so what we can do now is obviously that's how you assign different materials to it. You can assign different textures to these and it will come up perfectly fine. Now there is something else you might want to do, which is add different UV unwraps to it. So for example, we wanted a UV set that was just for the top and a UV set for the bottom. Now of course you can right click here, Control E, mark scene, and that way we can, if I split this window and go into UV image editor, now we can go unwrap, and you can see we have the monkey all laid out and that is working perfectly fine. Now I'm not sure where, let's go to, there we go. I'm curious where these bits are coming from. Oh, it's his eyes. I did not know that they were a separate mesh. Oh well, anyways, so we've got one UV map set out now, and we can go here, and we can go image, new image. Let's go UV test grid, and that's fine. Now of course we can come down here and go into display, textured solid, and now we have a simple texture pattern. So of course we can scale this right down and be really big, scale it up, be really small. So for example, we want this to be really small on the back of the head and on the front of the head, and let's say really big up the top. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select about this much-ish and just make sure we've got a nice even selection. Get rid of that one. That is looking pretty much sweet. Alright, so we've got this one here. What we're going to do is we're going to add a new UV texture. So we just click the plus key down there in the UV textures, and this one here can be front, this one can be back. Actually, I should probably just name these left and right. Let's just do left and right, keep it nice and simple. Alright, so the right one, we need to select all, U, unwrap again, and now you can see we have two different UV textures. So this one here is very big, so I can scale this right up, be very big, or scale it down, scale that one right up. This one here, I can scale it down. So now that we've got two UVs, let's do something with them. So I'm going to turn off texture solid, go to materials, and let's come in here and let's go into add new. Let's go, and this one here can be a this one can be a clouds. Okay, and we're going to go mapping. We're going to take this to UV. Now now that I think about it, I should have done left. Yeah, let's just do left and right. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of the cloud actually. Let's not do a cloud, let's do an image or movie. And we're just going to go untitled, which is pretty much a UV grid, or you can switch that to color grid if you want those colors. But I'm going to go UV grid, turn off color, and I'm going to go effect normal 1 will do. This is going to look kind of weird, but that's okay. So this is going to be from left, because we are on the left one. So you can see that's what it's going to look like. Alright, now the right one, we're going to add in an image or movie. So this is, obviously I'm not actually making anything special here, but you know, just kind of just chilling, just making something just to show you the differences. So you can see that's line them both up, and if we rendered this, so if I added in if I add in a floor plane first, scale this up, and let's add in a lamp, sun. Let's go rotate this around. This isn't a lighting tutorial, so I'm not going to bother setting up big lights. Now, as you know, the position of the sun lamp doesn't matter, only the direction. 0.2 for this one, give it a nice blue, just so we can see it, give it a nice yellow, 0, let's render. Alright, now we can see something happening. Let's zoom in. Alright, so you can see this is basically what we've got. We have different UV maps. We have, if we come down here, we have the left one is very big. The right one is very small. So that's why we've got those shapes here. So that's how you can apply different materials to each object. You can also apply different textures to each object. Now you can get into more advanced stuff using vertex groups and whatnot to make this all nice and good, but basically that's just how you assign things. This is a UV test grid, which is why it's got plus bits all over it, and sort of it just looks weird. That's why it kind of looks like it's a bit of fabric. But you know, this is what it's like. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Nice quick tip, hope you learned something, and my name's Alex Tilford and you are on metallics.co.nz.